Oh my god, Jesus! That was so unnecessary. He cut right around me. That definitely woke me up. Well, I guess with that being said, I don't know how to start off this video because ever since I woke up, I've been so drowsy. I felt like I took like 10 melatonin last night. God, I like started my bike. I didn't have my gloves on when I was leaving, and I forgot my wallet, and I was forgetting all these things. I'm like, what is going on? I'm at the gas station. I'm like, not thinking straight. Even right now, I just feel bland. I don't know. It's super weird. I feel like I was taking cruise control and just lay down and fall asleep. I'm not tired. I'm just drowsy. Like, I don't know why I got good sleep. I ate good yesterday. I'm hydrated. I don't know what's going on. But that kind of woke me up a little bit. I'm not sure what his problem was. I don't want to really be involved. I know all you little ear smackers out there would definitely love to chase him down and make yourself look big and tough. Sometimes it's not worth it. No, thank you. I have more to lose today than he does, I'm sure. So I'm sure most of you have seen the ZX10M's last YouTube video, or Will Killed Hill. I was out there in Austin, Texas, at the MotoGP event. I brought the bike out to go do some street madness. Unfortunately, I was not filming. It would have been an epic video because I did get speed wobbles. Because here I have my street kicker back in, which is good. I made some adjustments, which was super necessary. So out here it's fine. I mean, I've got speed wobbles before, but it's nothing crazy, even though it was here on Monday. Out there we were doing a highway pull. Will and I were racing, and I came over to this little crest, and I got speed wobbles so bad. And I mean, so bad. Pretty much I wouldn't consider it lit mode. I wouldn't consider it like, you know, shutting itself down. I'll let you guys be the judges. I'll drop the video right here. I got tank wobbles so bad that the bike shut itself down. Not sure why. I've never had anything that aggressive before, but it was definitely a wake-up call, and I never want that to happen in my life again. Luckily, I was geared up. Still, I was creeping up on a wheel at least 185 to 190, and I couldn't imagine falling off at that speed. So right away, I fixed my air duct. I gave Joe a little hole, so now that I always complain about that right air duct shifting over, I don't have that problem anymore. And then I made some adjustments and moved some things around from my steering like a bit, which is good. Sorry, I'm a little stuffed up this time. Before, it was through the brake line. It still kind of is if I turn aggressively. And then also another big problem, it was hitting my air ducts when I was turning, so now the steering stabilizer is tilted up, so when I turn, it moves up, it doesn't shift to hit directly onto the air duct, which is good. But I got that fixed, so I don't have to worry about that. I hope, cross my fingers and my toes. Town Lake, it's a nice day out. Usually it's been a lot hotter. Recently it's been like the 90s already. which sucks. But today feels like a nice day out.
If we go to the top of that parking garage, we can get that building and shit. Well, I want to get top. I didn't clean the bike, so we can get like the shade.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, the red, the forged carbon, the Olins. Gets that new rear sprocket. Nice like black one or something. Safety wire with the bolts. A nice titanium exhaust. Maybe even get rid of that foot peg. I think she uses that foot peg for her Insta360. Which, by the way, if you guys are interested in grabbing an Insta360, you can go down to my link on Instagram. Go buy yourself a camera and you can get all those attachments for free. But yeah, I was wondering why there's only one foot peg, and I think that's what she uses it for, is her Insta360. This guy's trying to race me in neutral. There's a bike down there. What the heck? Dude rides and straight up lives like a riverbed. What? I've never seen that. That's crazy. The first homeless person to ride a motorcycle. Wow. I saw a bump on the top and it scared the crap out of me. I'm sorry. Yeah, like I said, that thing's a rocket. I've never raced him in it. I have raced his R1. He's got like I want to say a 2020 R1. Keep in mind, he's only like 120 to 130 pounds. So that's hard to race. I don't care who you are. I'm sitting around 190 right now. That's tough. I barely walked him. I jumped on him at like 3rd gear, and he was kind of sticking around at like 6th. But I mean, I barely passed him the last time we raced. I've yet to race him on the Ducati. Like I said, he just babies that bike. I don't think he'll ever race on it. But I guarantee that thing would dog walk me, especially with that bike how it's set up right now with his weight. God, no thanks. Put me in a coffin. Simplicity. I like the simplicity. To talk about. With that being said, I wouldn't necessarily go ahead and apologize for a boring video. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this regardless. I know I have my stabilizer turned up, which always makes things feel a little soggy in the front. I don't know. I don't know, man. I just feel weird today. Don't let me blame it on the bike. It's me. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate you watching, and make sure to follow me on Instagram because I am a lot more active on Instagram or TikTok. I don't really like TikTok. I mean, who does? But I post there regardless. So, cool guys. See you in the next one.